Hello friends, in this video you will know why are people leaving Canada in 2023. You will know top 3 reasons for that. So stay tuned.
First question in your mind may be, is it true that people are leaving Canada?
The last couple of years, it seems a lot of people are moving out of the country.
तो भाई आपकी जिंदगी यहाँ पे आके नर्क भी बन सकती है.
I don't see my future in Canada.
हजारों लोग कनाडा छोड़कर जा रहे हैं.
On the Immigration News Canada portal, they have mentioned top 9 reasons why immigrants are leaving Canada. Last updated on the 8th of September 2023. With growing living expenses, number of immigrants leaving Canada has increased significantly for various reasons. Many of them are already permanent residents and Canadian citizens. First reason behind this is unemployment in Canada in 2023. According to Trading Economics, unemployment in Canada rose by 8.1 thousand individuals to 1.189 million. Let me show you the proof. According to tradingeconomics.com, Canada unemployment rate is 5.5% as of October 2023. Unemployment rose by 8.1 thousand individuals to 1.189 million. They have shown Canada unemployment rate unchanged at 18-month high. Unemployment rose by 14.2 thousand individuals to 1.181 million, with 57.8% of unemployed individuals being unemployed for over 1 month. In this video, you can see a long queue of students even for a survival jobs. This is shocking, but it's a reality of Canada now. Second reason is higher taxes and increase in house rent. An average rent of a small basement in Canada is 2,000 Canadian dollars per month. While an average salary in Canada in 2023 is 3,500 Canadian dollars per month. People need to pay salary taxes, need to spend on transportation and food. Moreover, mortgage for buying ordinary house is minimum 3,500 Canadian dollars per month. So, people with blue-collar jobs cannot afford this. Due to this, homelessness has drastically increased in Canada. This is a video footage of tents built by homeless people in Canada. This person staying in tent is really worried about his survival during winter. This graph shows historical 5 years of fixed mortgage rates. During 2020 to 2021, the mortgage rate was stable at 2.49%. It increased up to 4.79% in 2022. But now it is almost 7% in 2023. Apart from unemployment and homelessness, third reason is a mental health issues in Canada. According to Canadian Institute of Health Information, Canadians are short on access to care for mental health and substance use. Based on their report on August 2023, about 1 in 5 Canadians experience mental illness each year, with young people particularly hard hit by lack of services. Due to these mental health issues, crime rate has been rising throughout Canada. The last reason I must mention is the delay in getting the medical appointment. Currently, people are getting 20 to 27 weeks delayed medical appointment in Canada. Even for the emergency medical needs, you will be treated based on the criticality of your health compared to other patients. According to Institute of Canadian Citizenship, the percentage of permanent residents obtaining Canadian citizenship has plummeted since 2001. In 2023, data reveals that just 45.7% of permanent residents became citizens within 10 years. So friends, these are the major reasons why Canadians are trying to move to USA or other countries during 2023. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the content, do not forget to hit like and subscribe button to support my efforts.